Thank you, Dino, for the kind introduction, and good morning, folks. Well, and thanks to the organizers as well. It takes a lot to get this whole 2-3 day conference going. So with that, let's get into the topic of discussion today. Rethinking deep learning with a neural compute stick. This essentially is all about how do we drive use cases for AI at the edge. Why do we have a need for intelligence in the edge in the first place? What are the barriers do we see? And how we can democratize deep learning, machine learning for new and upcoming prototypers, not just data scientists and machine learning experts who know how to do this, but to get the industry and the ecosystem together to where the promise of AI is going to take us moving forward. And I'll also talk a little bit about, as we do that, as we go from prototyping to eventually mass production, starting with the neural compute stick as the lead vehicle for that, how do we enable our partners to be able to get actual products in HVM production through a program that we have, so that whether they are students, entrepreneurs starting in a garage, whether they are small, medium businesses, or even large businesses. We have multiple examples as well as use cases where you prototype, you tune, validate your networks, but then very quickly go into full production, just like you would do today on a mature program, as in the client space or an embedded IoT space or so on and so forth. So we'll talk a little bit about that as well.